In this short video, we will discuss the detailed solution of the expression square root of 8 plus square root of 8 plus square root of 8 all over the square root of 24. Let's start. Simplify first the numerator square root of 8 plus square root of 8 plus square root of 8. Its sum is 3 square root of 8 all over 24. Simplify also square root of 8 of the numerator. Its factors are 4 times 2. Simplify also the denominator square root of 24 by its factors 4 times 6. Next, get the square root of 4, which is 2, that will be multiplied to 3 outside the radical sign. Same on the denominator, whose square root of 4 is equal to 2. Since 2 is common on the numerator and denominator, it can be cancelled. By that, the new expression will be 3 square root of 2 over square root of 6. To further simplify, we will rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by square root of 6 all over square root of 6. 3 square root of 2 multiplied to square root of 6 equals 3 square root of 12. Do the same on the denominator. Square root of 6 multiplied to square root of 6, the product is 6. Furthermore, simplify square root of 12 on its numerator by its factors square root of 4 times 3. Once again, square root of 4 is 2 multiplied to 3 outside the radical sign. Near to finish the solution, multiply 3 times 2, resulting to 6 square root of 3 over 6. And since once again 6 is common, it can be cancelled, resulting to square root of 3, which is the answer in our problem today. To verify that our answer is correct, we need the aid of scientific calculator, and we discovered that the problem and the answer have equal values of 1.7.